Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing so beautifully well. So happy Christmas to you all. So hope you enjoy your festive period. So this is 3 weeks now that I made this call roll. So I decided to take it down today because I got to wash my hair. So I don't really like leave my hair this long. I'm used to washing my hair every week. So now I'm just going to take down my cornrow. So this is how my hair is looking like. I think there's no build up at all. My hair still feels so good and so nice. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So guys, my hair really grows so well in this period of 3 weeks. Like, I use this product like twice or once a week, even 3 times a week, depends on how I feel like using it. So I just decided to take down my cornrow today. If you have not watched the video where I cornrow this hair, so I will leave it at the description box below, or at the card, or at the airstream, anywhere you can find it. At the description box is going to be there. So the product I use, also how I mix everything together, the hair grease. I'm also going to leave everything at the description box below. How I moisturize my hair during the week for hair growth, I'm also going to leave that at the description box below also. So just find your way to my description box and you are going to see, and also go and check it out. So if you are looking on how to use hair grease for hair growth, I also have a playlist. I'm going to also link that at the description box below, so just go and check it out. So now I'm just going to continue to take down my cornrow, and my hair really grows so well. My hair still feels so nice, like minimal breakage, not that much breakage. I did not really say much shedding because I really take care of my hair. I took care of my hair during the this period that I cornrow my hair. I did not really neglect my hair. I still moisturize and take care of my hair. That is why I got like minimal breakage and shedding. So this is how my hair look now. My hair feels so nice and also strong. My hair grow like I see a lot of grow in my hair. Like, I was so surprised. Like, I did not really expect this to happen, but it happened anyway. So my edges are also doing well. Everywhere is just doing fine. My scalp is still healthy. There's no dandruff, nothing at all. So if you just scared of using grease on your head, that just you are just being scared. Grease does not really do damage to your hair, so you are just being scared. So I'm just going to continue to take down my hair now, because I'll also be preparing my hair for wash day on this video. So you might just sit down, relax, and watch it to the end. Okay, so that's why I say whenever you are on protective style, also try to kind of give your hair some moisture. Don't just abandon your hair and say your hair is on protective style, so it's all good. No, it's not all good. You still have to show some love to your hair. So if you want it to be healthy, if you want it to grow while on protective style, so you still have to show your hair some love. So that video is already on my channel. I'm going to leave it at the description box below. Just go and check it out. So now I'm preparing the oil that I'm going to be using to prepare my hair, to prepare my hair for shampoo. So this is my DIY hair grow. So I'm just going to add about 2 spoons, any spoon at all. So far it's okay for me. So far it's enough for my hair. So this is my hibiscus oil, my DIY hibiscus oil. So the video is already on my channel. Just go and check it out. I will leave it at the description box below. So how to make your organic hibiscus at home, even how to and turn your hibiscus flower into a powder form. Also, the video is also on my channel. So now I'm still going to add some of my hair growth oil to this mixture. So like I said before, it's whatever is enough. I'm just going to stop. I'm not taking measurement. I'm just adding it to my container. When it's enough for me, I just rest. Okay. So I'm just going to mix everything together now. Mix everything. I've put it inside hot water, but I didn't film that part, so I also put it inside hot water for it to heat up, like hot oil treatment. Okay, so now I've already take down my cornrow. It's time for me to prepare my hair for wash day tomorrow, for tomorrow wash day. So this is how my hair is looking like now, guys. My hair is so full of life, so I'm just going to just separate my hair into two sections, just like so, just the way I always did on my hair. I put my hair in a section for it to be easy for me to apply product. So I'm just going to do the same thing here now. So I'm going to put my hair into section, but I'll be starting in the other section, so I will take the rest hair out of the way for me to concentrate. Okay. So guys, this hot oil treatment is so good for hair growth. Also, if you have not been doing it, just start now. Okay, now. Start now. Okay. So now this is my water, just pure water. You can use any water of your choice, hibiscus, fenugreek seed, black seed water, aloe vera, any kinds of water, rice water you can use. So I just decided to use just water today. See my hair. So this is the hot oil that I will be using. It's really warm, not that hot that you're going to burn your scalp. Okay, so I just put it on my scalp and also the length of my hair. See my hair don't grow finish or just under 3 weeks, guys. My hair really grew a lot. From next January, we'll be taking hair length every month because I really want to see progress on my hair. Like every month I want to see how much my hair grow. So from next year January, we'll be taking length check every month. Okay, take note, subscribe so that you will follow us. Okay. So I'm not going to be using comb to detangle my hair. I will be using just finger detangling my hair, just like so. So this is how my hair is looking like now. Look at that growth, guy. Look at that growth. 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 So this is the growth that I just achieved in just 3 weeks. So 1 inches of hair grow in 3 weeks is much, guys. Yeah, it's much. If you can able to grow 1 inch of hair in 3 weeks, it's much now. Is it not much? So look at that. Well, I was like, wow, this really work. Wow. So if you have not missed your hair grace, go and miss it now. Tomorrow might be too late. Just go and miss yours now and start using it. Okay, so I'm also going to continue continue applying the hot oil to my hair. So hot oil is also good for hair growth. So nice for you to do hot oil treatment before you shampoo your hair. It's also going to protect your hair against shampoo that is going to strip off your natural oil out of your scalp. So when you prepare your hair with oil, it's going to kind of keep some oil in your scalp, so the shampoo will not just strip everything out of your hair. That is why hot oil treatment is so good before you shampoo your hair. So that is for that. So I'm just going to use water to kind of remove all the shedding hair out of my hair before I will apply the oil to my scalp and also to my hair. Okay, guys, now I'm done. Not done. So I'm going to do the rest of camera because I don't want this video to be that long. I don't want to get to abandon me here. Okay, please don't abandon me here. Oh, watch to the end. So now I'm done preparing all my hair, giving my hair some hot oil treatment. You know, got to do this for my hair to grow. So now I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic cap because I'll be leaving this all overnight. I'll be leaving this on my hair overnight. Cover your hair. You can use heat if you have heat cap or hair dryer. You can just sit under your hair dryer for about 10 to 20 minutes for it to really heat up very well. It's going to be also extra beneficial to your hair. So I'm just going to cover my hair with this plastic bag. I'm going to be doubling the plastic bag later, so thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you on my next one. Give me thumbs up if you like, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. Happy Christmas.